Okay, I know our time to practice is very limited. We never have much time in the day, so let's practice some stuff that really matters. So right now we're playing an A major to a F sharp minor, D major, A major, E major. Let's loop that. About 123 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, those notes right there are perfect notes. That sounds great. I'm going 5th fret, 6th fret, half step. Okay, now I'm kind of messing around with the triad shape. There's the A major triad shape. Doing a half step from 5 to 6 on the G string. And there's our root note. So that sounds great over the chords. A major pentatonic. Just focus on 2 strings, D string, G string. Try the B string and the high E string, frets 5, 7, 5, 7. Try to bar, angle your hand like this. Scale. sure we can do that, that triad shape is 7, 6, 5, 5. So it's like the high part of an A major chord. There's the 1, 5, 1, and then here's the triad. And then real quick, A, A major pentatonic. And then A major Ionian.